Look at this space. 3,000 square feet. Hurricane, rated to 175 miles per hour. Shell, erected in 8 days. Total build cost $147,000. I know exactly what you're thinking right now. 'Cause I thought the same thing. That number is real. And by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly how it is possible, and why most of the barndominium community is completely sleeping on this building type. But here is what I need you to understand first. What you just looked at is not what you are picturing in your head when I say Quonset hut. Stay with me. Because what modern Quonset barnominiums looked like in 2026 will genuinely surprise you. I have built 3 traditional barndominiums. I have consulted on 24 more, and I spent years dismissing Quonset barndominiums, same as most of you probably are right now. I was wrong, not slightly wrong. Wrong on the cuss. Wrong on the comfort. Wrong on the aesthetics. Wrong on almost every assumption I had about this building type. Today, I am giving you the honest, unsponsored breakdown of modern Quonset barnominiums in 2026. Real costs. Real comfort. Real strength numbers. And the one thing that nobody else in this niche will tell you, coming at the very end of this video. Subscribe if you want content that tells you the truth. Let's get into it. When most people hear Quonset hut, they picture this. A gray corrugated half-pipe sitting in a field. Military surplus. Agricultural storage. Zero personality. That image is 30 years out of date. And it is costing people the smartest housing decision they could make. This is what a modern Quonset barnominium looks like in 2026. Black galvalume arch with a board-end batten timber end wall. Floor-to-ceiling glass. Covered entry porch. From the road it reads as high-end residential. You only see the curve from the side, and by then you have already fallen in love with the front. The key is the S. Unlike the classic full semicircle that curves all the way down to the ground, the S-model has straight vertical sidewalls, 10 to 14 feet tall. Before the arch begins, full-height straight walls for your bedrooms and bathrooms. The arch starts above your head, giving you that cathedral ceiling effect in the living space without sacrificing usable edge space and the interior. That continuous curved ceiling from wall to wall creates a volumetric experience that flat ceiling buildings at any price simply cannot replicate. Owners call it the first thing guests mention every single time they walk through the door. You cannot buy this architectural moment in conventional construction. In a Quonset, it comes standard. Here is where the conversation gets serious. Traditional barndominium in 2026. Honest turnkey number. $100 to $145 per square foot. Modern Quonset barnominium. Same level of finish. $65 to $95 per square foot. On a 2,400 square foot build, that gap is $84,000 to $120,000 in your pocket. That is not a rounding error. That is a different financial life. Where does the saving come from? One engineering principle. The arch is the structure. No heavy beams. No engineered trusses. No complex fabricated connections. The structural system arrives on a flatbed as panels and bolts. For people with basic tools can erect the shell in 1 week. Compare that to a traditional steel erection crew taking 3 to 4 weeks minimum with specialized equipment. Less time, fewer people, less equipment, less material. That is where $80,000 goes. Now the real 2026 numbers, line by line, kit with N walls 40 by 60 building, 2,400 square feet, $40,000 to $62,000. Foundation slab, $14,000 to $34,000 depending on region and soil. Assembly. If you DIY, which 70% of buyers do, $0. If you hire out, $24,000 to $43,000. Spray foam insulation, mandatory. Do not skip this, $10,000 to $16,000. Interior finish, on 1,200 square feet of living space, at $70 to $80 per square foot. $84,000 to $96,000. Site prep and permits, $8,000 to $15,000. With DIY assembly. Total realistic build, $165,000. $225,000 complete turnkey. Now, can you actually hit $150,000? Here is the straight answer nobody else gives you. Yes, with 3 specific conditions. First, you DIY your shell erection. That saves $24,000 to $43,000 alone. Second, you finish 900 to 1,000 square feet of living space on day 1, and leave the remainder as functional utility space for phase 2. Third, you keep your finish choices: smart, polished concrete floors, painted drywall, standard fixtures. Beautiful but not extravagant. 40 by 50 footprint. 2,000 total square feet. 1,000 square feet finished. That build lands at $145,000 to $155,000 in 2026. I have verified that against real completed builds. It is real, and here is what $145,000 gets you in a traditional barnominium, roughly. 1,000 square feet finished. Same money. Half the space. That differential is why this conversation matters. This is the section no other video covers. And it is the one that personally changed my position on this building type. I went and talked to people who actually live in these, not builders, not salespeople, owners. People who wake up in these homes every single morning. Here is what they describe specifically. The space feels bigger than it measures. That curved ceiling creates volume that a flat ceiling building of identical square footage simply does not have. The center of a 40-foot wide Quonset peaks at 20 feet. You feel that. Every time you walk in, temperature stability surprises everyone. The arch form has less surface area than an equivalent rectangular building. Less surface area means less heat transfer. A properly insulated Quonset and spray foam is non-negotiable here. Holds temperature with remarkable efficiency. One owner in Texas told me her summer electric bills in 2,800 square feet run lower than her previous 1,400 square foot stick-built house. That is not a fluke. That is physics. The workshop side is the most functional space they have ever worked in. No columns. No posts. No structural walls anywhere on the floor plate. You can park anything, run any equipment layout, reconfigure the entire space anytime. The structure never gets in your way. These people are not describing a budget compromise. They are describing a home they are proud of. That distinction matters when you are about to spend $150,000 on something you will live in for 30 years. Quick but important, because if you are in a hurricane zone, tornado corridor, or heavy snow region, this changes the conversation entirely. The arch handles extreme weather through pure geometry. Wind deflects around a curve. There are no flat walls to push against, no beam-to-column connections to fail, no roof-to-wall junction, the single most common structural failure point in any building, because the roof and wall are the same continuous surface. Wind rating 140 to 175 miles per hour, depending on specification. That is Category 4 hurricane territory. FEMA recognizes arch construction for disaster-resistant building. These structures are documented, standing intact in communities where conventional buildings around them were destroyed, If weather is a real threat where you are building, this structural performance is not a nice feature. It is a serious reason to choose this building type over everything else at this price point. Here is the thing I promised to tell you at the end. The thing nobody else says. The modern Quonset Barndominium has an image problem that has nothing to do with the actual building. The word Quonset makes people think military surplus. The curved profile makes people assume ugly. Those assumptions are costing people real money because they never get past the name to look at what these buildings actually deliver in 2026. You just looked at it. 3,000 square feet. Hurricane rated. Built in 8 days. $147,000. A dramatic curved ceiling that no amount of money can buy you in conventional construction. A thermally efficient shell that lowers your utility bills for the life of the building. A workshop with 0 obstructions across its entire floor plate. And a cost per square foot that makes every other build type in this market look expensive. Is it right for everyone? No, if your financing options don't support it. If your local market won't recognize it on resale. If your HOA has restrictions. Those are real constraints that matter. But if you are seriously planning a build in 2026, and maximum value for your dollar is the priority, you need to put the modern Quonset Barndominium at the top of your list. Not as a fallback. As a genuine first option. Drop your state, your budget, and your square footage target in the comments right now. I read every single one, and I will give you a straight answer. If this video changed how you see this building type, subscribe. More honest build content coming that covers what this industry actually looks like from the inside. See you in the next one.